Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by powering the Chromebook off and removing every external item. That protects components. Once done, use a magnifier and flashlight to inspect the charging port for bent pins, lint, corrosion, or loose screws. These are often the real cause. Next, measure the adapter with a multimeter to confirm voltage. Make sure the charger actually outputs the expected voltage. If the adapter is okay, remove the bottom panel using a Phillips #00 and a spudger to access the internal connector and mounting. With the battery disconnected, you gain safe access to the board. This prevents shorts while you work. Then, examine the USB-C or barrel jack solder joints and mounting posts. Movement or cracked solder shows the failure mode. If joints are cracked, reflow with a temperature-controlled iron and flux, or remove and replace the jack using solder wick and steady heat. Make sure the replacement jack matches pinout and mechanical mounting. Once soldering is clean, secure the jack to the chassis to prevent future stress and double-check continuity with a multimeter. You now reconnect the battery, reattach the bottom cover, and tighten screws evenly, avoid over-torquing. Once assembled, plug in the original adapter and watch LED indicators. Measure voltage at the battery connector to confirm charging current reaches the battery. If charging still fails, make sure to try a known good charger and cable to rule out the adapter. As a final troubleshooting tip, if the port repair didn't help, swap the charging jack module or consult a board-level repair shop, because the fault may be on the power regulation circuit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.